No, here it's not showing any error, is it? Like it's synthesized. Synthesis successfully completed.
No, it is showing like this.
This is not error. This is complete message. Synthesis completed. Okay. So once synthesis is
So is this the output then?
not that is the output. So okay, I think you have to give me access. Okay, view option, requesting or control. Request. Did you accept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So once this is done, so this is you will get synthesis report. So if you come here, one thing you can see, like in the report also you can put is this schematic, okay? After synthesis, the schematic will be opened. Okay. This is schematic after synthesis. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is schematic after synthesis. Another is you have to click on report utilization. So click OK. So if you see here, you can put this screenshot. So it will show how many slice LUTs are used. So this is the top overall. 85 LUTs are used. 80 registers are used. 12 pins are used. And one buffer G control is used. This is a resource utilized by your device, total design. This screenshot also you can put.
Okay, sir.
So this is after synthesis. We will have two results. One is after synthesis, that is like gate level. So it is still not mapped to FPGA. Another is after implementation.
Okay.
For again, like if you want to see the timing report timing summary. Okay. So click OK. So this is like you were asking about timing analysis, right? So this is after synthesis.
Yeah.
So actual timing analysis and actual resource utilization will be seen after implementation. So this is intermediate. So you can see worst case negative slack is 14.05. So if it is negative, then it is your design is timing failed, in the sense like you might have studied about setup time, hold time, all these things, right? Setup time violation, hold time violations and all. So if these values are negative, then only there is a violation. So these are all positive. So there is no violation. Okay. So this screenshot also you can put. Or like you can manually mention that this reports, setup, hold, and pulse width related things. And you can see all user specified timing constraints are met. If it has not met, it will show it is not met.
Okay.
And now you can run the implementation. So you initially you ran synthesis, then you can run implementation.
That left side run implementation arrow is there, no, that one, no, sir?
Yes, run implementation. Yes, it is running actually. Did I start recording?
Yes, sir.
It's showing recording, right?
is showing one red button blinking.
So this question also might arise if you have any Viva as such. What are all the steps in implementation? So implementation actually it does like mapping and routing and placements.
Okay.
You can see now it is like routing the design, right? And even timing analysis also.
Here.
Yeah, here in implementation. You can see this message, right? So implementation completed successfully. So, hello?
Yes, sir.
Wait, okay, 1 second. So here also same thing in synthesis I had shown, right? So here actually you can see device view also after implementation. So one is schematic you can see. So if you want to see power, how much it is consuming. So for instance, in the implementation, if I click on report timing summary, so this is device view. Okay, so you can put this screenshot also after synthesis how internet device view. So your design is somewhere here, see, like, and somewhere here also. Okay, so this is timing summary after implementation. Okay, so then you can see report utilization also you can see same way. However, I told, and report power if you give, it will show power related aspects also. See this screenshot also you can put after implementation. This is the power 0.121 watts it is consuming.
Where is that option, sir? Report power.
Here, report power last.
Okay.
And report utilization also you have to show like how much LUT is after implementation. So one difference before after synthesis means, so your RTL code is just mapped into gates and other stuff. So it is still not mapped into FPGA design. So after implementation only all these gates will be mapped into actual FPGA design. Okay. So this is the gate, how much control it is taking, how much flip flop is taking, all these things after implementation. Till here you are clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is like in the synthesis related reports what you have to give to them. So then one more thing you were asking how to simulate it, right? So simulation. So for the simulation, go to project manager. So in the simulation sources, so there is test. So you can put these 3 test benches. So it is like you can test only RX, only simulate TX, or you can simulate entire thing. Okay, 3 simulation files are there. But for you, I mean, you don't complicate the things. Like you can just say that like I'm simulating both TX and RX in one file. Okay, so I have mentioned it as TB.
All the 3 files are there in the TB.
In that you can use only TB. Other 2 you can ignore. Okay, because I'll show you that. So again, you add sources here. So okay, so for simulation files, whatever you are adding, so you have to click on simulation sources, right click, add sources, add or create simulation sources, add files. I mean, if I'm too fast, you let me know.
Yes, sir.
So you have to go to this folder, click OK. Maybe you can add all the things, but I'll show you which one to use. Finish. So see, it will not come in the design sources, from simulation sources. So this is TB, right? So other TB RX is there, TB is there, TB TX is there. So you make TB as a top level, right click and set as top you have to give. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now here option is there, run simulation, run behavioral simulation. You're getting right?
Yes, sir.
Change it to 1 second because UART is always slower communication. It takes a lot of time to simulate. You can see the data, right? RXT. So this is the actual data. Okay. You can highlight by right clicking this also, signal color. make something like other orange. So once it hits finished, then it means it finished that simulation. So you can see that orange is our actual UART receives. I think I have simulated RX, I guess. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
RX I simulated.
What is that RX and TX, sir?
So UART communication, you know?
Little bit. I have forgotten.
Okay. It will have RX and TX line. This is RX line, what you have received. So similarly, you will have TX lines also. But
Okay.
together, you can check in the loopback mode. For that, if you go to the project manager, no, I had simulated together only. TA, okay, that TB calls only RX. So you can say that like RX and TX are separately simulating. Maybe this is the example for RX simulation. This is one simulation for that. Like that you can show. Any doubts, questions?
No, sir.
So this is fine, right? This UART related things. Anything else you want to know?
For TX, again, the same step we have to take.
Pardon?
For TX, if we have to do the simulation.
TX, if you want to do the simulation, then you have to go to the project manager. Here you have that TBTX, right? So right click and make this as stop. So that set this as stop, and then run behavioral simulation. You'll ask, do you want to relaunch? Yes. Don't save this waveform. I mean, unnecessarily it will consume a lot of space actually. I think it started running simulation. Yes. So which are all the points you need to take the screenshots also? You got it, right? I explained that certain points I told, like which are all important things.
Yes, sir.
So any other doubts? So in this part, UART part, you are clear, right? Any other things need to know?
Like after closing, when I have to show them a demo, like how will I show that once you show me, sir?
After?
Now I'll close this Vivado and keep for Saturday. I'll keep. Or during presentation, I have to show.
Yes. So during presentation.
No, already everything will be saved.
During presentation, you can show this simulation. Okay. On this simulation, and you can little bit learn about UART. Okay. So what you have done. So you can say that like you are TX. So you have TX bytes and TX data is transmitting here. Okay. Then you can open this report synthesis, like you can open the reports, like whichever the points I had shown you, right? So this is like you have to take a screenshot of this, and I said you have to see the device view. Also, I said that like you need to see the schematic here. All these things you can show that like after synthesis we got all these things. And they will ask how timing analysis you have done. So you can say in the constraint file, you have added this XDC, default.xdc. So here you have added all the clock related, like pin numbers, okay, and even clock related things. So this is, see, get clock and like what is the clock speed. This you have added. Because of that, you got like that setup and hold violation, that one. So this is like 10 means it is 100 megahertz. So I'm running operating design at 100 megahertz. You can say. So yeah, I mean you can. So one thing what you can do. So in the same way, you can try for I2C. Okay. So I think today you said like it's holiday, right? Maybe you can try. So if you're not able to do, so you'll get practice. I mean, like for a demo. So you can try. So from your end, you try. So later, if you are not able to do, evening we will plan one more session.
Okay, sir.
That would be fine, right?
Sir.
In I2C, one slight modification you may have to do. Go to the test. Source files are there. Okay, this is there. This you have to add everywhere. I2C master. Okay. So what you do, like you can explain you are using only I2C master, okay, not both, either I2C master or I2C layer, right? So you are using I2C master device only, okay? Another design you can think of that. So in that, any text editor is there?
No, sir.
Okay. Usually for code editing and all, you use Notepad++. There is a software called Notepad++.
Notepad++.
Yes. So
okay.
Always it will highlight and all. Maybe it's a short file. You can download it. Notepad is there.
Notepad is also not there, I think.
Okay, can you quickly download Notepad++? Only will download. It's a small file.
Shall I download, sir?
Yeah. This is B for B or MTech?
MTech, sir.
Which year? Second year, huh? Which college?
BIT.
BIT, Bangalore Institute of Technology.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So MTech in VLSI only, is it?
Yes, sir. VLSI and embedded systems.
Okay. So you
This
place
one.
somewhere?
Huh?
Did you place somewhere?
Yes, sir. L&T.
L&T Infotech.
Yeah. Shall I download this, sir?
Yeah. Which position they have given to you?
Now we are doing internships. Still, they have not said, sir.
Okay.
Just a week ago, internship has been started.
But this for what purpose actually?
This is for internship we had done already before getting into L&T. We had to show it for VT, for that one. Minimum 6 weeks, we have to show it for VTU.
Okay.
So this one shall I download?
Yeah.
Where are you working, sir?
I was working in Samsung. Now I joined to Cambium Networks. It's a US-based company. We work for Wi-Fi designs.
It's installed, I think, this one.
No, not it. It will ask for it. Double click on that. Give me control. Yeah. That L&T campus is nearby that Gopalam Mall campus. Is that one or which one?
No,
That
sir,
you said-
Mysore.
Oh, L&T Mysore.
Ah,
Nice. So they're embedded design only, VLSI only, is it? Or they have hired for some defense projects?
for embedded, we had a test, sir. End-to-end test was based on embedded.
Okay. So this actually you need exercise slave. So I'll give you some other design. Okay, you ignore this. Right to see.
Okay, sir.
This actually requires the block diagram. So
Hmm.
that's not necessary for you. I mean, like that's the embedded thing. I mean, you need to have that run OS and also using this. So I'll give you another design. Give me a second.
Hmm.
So to your WhatsApp, I have sent that Verilog files. You can download it.
Okay. No, sir, I have not yet. One second.
I think your net is not on. Still not received.
Ah, This one, no, sir?
Exactly.
Yes, sir. It's on desktop.
Okay. Where is it?
Desktop. Here.
Same master, right? So the source files are this. Okay, this 4 and constraint I told na XDC file. Constraint is not there. Somewhere it might be there here. Can you just maximize it? Close this one.
Sir?
Close this actually. For me, it's very slow actually. I'll help you. So here, like one shortcut is there. You just close this project file. Close the- Battery is running low, is it?
So 1 second, I'll connect it. Charge.
Open this one. Notepad. Open ಆಗಿದೆ. You can directly open. Here I don't have access actually. I don't know why. In this, can you search that board direction connectivity, something like that? Create project.tcl. Okay. Come down. Come down. Down. Set directly fine. Set property. Board.
Board.
Board part. Board connection. Can you just set that OBJ, like what they have defined?
This one. That one.
It's board connections. Like OBJ is there, no, in front of board connection.
Where, sir?
That can you just see? That you can comment. Set property, and first two properties you comment. Comment in the sense put hash in front of it. Set, not that. Come down. Line number 121 and 122. Starting before that set property, you put hash, one hash symbol. Yeah. Down also. Board part. Save and go there. You comment all this actually. All like compile, xlib, all these things are there, right? Xlib override, all these things.
This one.
Comment. Set. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಲಿಬ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮೈಸ್ ಇಟ್. I mean, up to xsim till there you comment everything. Part you leave as it is. Okay, comp lib you comment. Default lib also you comment.
It's not working, sir.
Comment is not working. Huh?
Now it's working. That symbol.
In this, actually, so many things need to be modified. Like this, they have designed for not Vivado, like some other tool. Anyway, I mean, later point of time for you, it will be, I think, difficult to explain also. Like if they ask you to, maybe I'll try to give you another. Okay, sorry.
Okay, sir.
Okay, whichever like we did UART, right? In the same way, whichever structure is there, I'll send you maybe in another 10-15 minutes. I'll search in my folders. So later you can try, and if you are not, it is not possible, I'll
Okay, sir.
support you later. Okay, then like we'll meet later. Like you can try from your end. If you have any doubts, you can ping me.
Okay, sir.
If I don't respond, you can call me. Usually, like I'm not seeing.
You're doing work from home?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else?
No, sir. Sir, after closing all this like this, I'll close it. It will not be deleted, no, sir. That you are.
It will not be deleted. Yeah. Now I think it's closed actually. No, don't exit. Okay, you exit and I'll show you like how to open that project. You exit. I'll show you how to. Go to Vivado.
1 second. This should be opened always.
No, not required.
Okay.
Just I wanted to force close that part. That's why. So.
Vivado.
You wait. Okay, like double click once and wait, because like in background it takes some time. If you click multiple times, multiple things will be open and your PC will be hang, because it takes around 4 GB of RAM completely.
Okay. So now how to open the previous one and show them out, I'm asking.
Yeah. Now open project.
Okay, you are.
Yes, you are. Double click on that. Double click. Yeah. So that Vivado symbol you can see, right? That you have to click.
This one.
Click and OK. So showing the simulation, like directly you can run simulation.
So here.
What happened? Still
Oh, no, sir, it's not working. Shall I do it once again?
No, it's working. It's loading.
I think it's not working, sir.
Maybe you can run again. Close it, cancel and run it. Maybe your Vivado itself might have. That's the thing. Because it takes a lot of time. I mean, a lot of RAM. So, what is your RAM specification?
4 or 8 gig.
Actually, they suggest at least 16 GB.
That's why all other applications are also working very slow from yesterday.
Okay.
Not working, sir.
Hanged, is it?
Sir?
Is it hanged or same issue?
Hanged, I think.
Okay. Can you just go to the task manager, right click on the taskbar and go to the task manager. It hangs, right? Go to the task manager and just you can end task here.
After going there, what to do?
Click on this. I think this also is very.
This one.
You got to right click. Yeah, end task. Maybe you can restart your PC and try. You got the steps, right? It
So
will
like
work.
that only.
Huh?
First we have to press on that simulation. I'll get the simulation window directly. Like that options, if I click, I'll get those respective output. No, sir.
Yes. And
Okay, I'll check it.
simulation
And
also, if you open simulation window, it will open simulation. I mean, if you run simulation, it will open simulation. But like you have to run for 1 second. I shown you that, like adding the time scale and running, right? That you have to run for 1 second so that it will run entirely.
Okay, sir. I'll try once, and if I have a doubt, I'll ask you.
Okay, sure.
Share me that video, sir.
Okay, recording. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.